Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we're going to be walking through Substack and how to use it. So Substack is a popular platform for writers, bloggers, and anyone wanting to publish content online. So it's really super user friendly, but let's dive into it. So first, you're going to want to sign up to their platform. So just simply follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. So once you sign up, you will then land on your home screen. So it's a simple layout, kind of like Twitter, with panels for your inbox, notes, chats, profile, and more. So in your inbox, you will then be able to find new content based on your interests. And you can also save stuff to read later on. So the notes section is where writers share shorter posts and ideas. So kind of like tweets, you can like, reply, and even repost. So you also see recommendations for writers to follow. And the chat panel lets you join discussions with other readers and writers. So just tap on a thread and jump right in. And explore is where you'll then be able to discover different types of content like culture, tech, or politics. So it's simply based on what catches your eye. So for your profile, simply click the top right corner, then hit start writing. So from there, you'll then be able to create your publication. So simply choose a simple, memorable URL for your page. So it will usually be something like yourname.substack.com, but you can also upgrade to a custom domain for only $50. Now, simply just start typing. Seriously, don't overthink it. Tell a story, share a thought, complain about your Wi-Fi, whatever works. And you can then add text, images, links, or even quotes. And once it looks good, you will then have to hit continue, then send to everyone. And that's it. So you're all set to start publishing. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.